Studying for the ICAN examinations can feel very overwhelming.
What's going on here?
In this video, I'm going to show you the exact YouTube channels and the resources that helped me in my study and can help make your study easier. Welcome back to the ICAN Starter Pack series. If you're preparing for your ICAN examinations, one of your biggest struggles is not just reading but finding the right resources. Today I'm going to share the exact YouTube channels and the materials that helped me pass subject by subject for both the skills level and the professional level of the ICAN examinations. So trust me, this is going to save you hours of stress. So first of all, the ICAN syllables, the study packs, and then the past questions, the pathfinders. These are like the official resources that I can't even start this video without mentioning them because they are the basis of your study. You use the syllabus as a compass to know what is examinable, study text also to study, and then past questions are usually your biggest weapon because of it just shows you how they set the questions before and what to expect, right, and it tests your understanding on those particular topics. Those are the first resources that you should have in mind. Then moving on, you can decide to attend tutorial centers online or offline, and usually these tutorial centers or tuition centers usually have their own specific resources that they use for teaching. It's basically like a summarized version of your study text. That's so overwhelmed to read your study text. This summarized version or summary notes provided by your tuition centers can help you out, and if you're doing self-study, you have to create your own from reading the study pack. Now, the online resources. Basically, YouTube has saved my life when it comes to understanding some of these ICAN topics or some of these ICAN subjects, and that's just the truth. So let me break it down subject by subject. We're starting from the skills level, right? So in the skills level, we have the financial reporting, PM, ISP, and financial management, the auditing, and the tax. For the financial reporting, I'll recommend Accountancy and Ansah Thomas. Now, I say Accountancy and Ansah Thomas because of Accountancy. He's very good. He's a very good teacher, but at the same time, his tutorials are mostly limited to the FR, right? So if you want something more, like especially when it comes to group accounts, where you have to learn the complex group structures and everything, Ansah Thomas is more of your guy, right? But Accountancy is mainly the normal group account or the normal stuff, the normal IFRS. So he's very good. He's a very good teacher, but it's kind of mostly limited to FR topics. If you want more advanced group accounts, Ansah Thomas is your guy. Performance management, Ezikan Academy. Yes, Ezikan Academy. I'm not going to say much about this YouTube channel, but those of us that know, we know that he covers, if no matter the subject in ICAN, he's always doing a tutorial on it. Whether it is, I would like this guy, he teaches PSAP, PM, and FR, name it, tax. Like he has a tutorial video for all these subjects. He's just good like that. That's just it. Like I don't have to say much about it. The quality of the video might not be the best, but you just know that what you're getting is worth it, right? Tax, Tolu Sule Academy. Like I have to say this, but during my ATS journey and my ICAN taxation, advanced taxation, Tolu Sule Academy, she did it for me. Like she ate. Tolu Sule Academy did it for me. Basically, she's good. She breaks down tax the way you can easily understand it and what to expect in an examination condition. And Tolu Sule Academy is very good. So check her out. Then for auditing and assurance, Ansah Thomas. So Ansah Thomas, I already mentioned him earlier for FR, right? I think he focuses more on FR and auditing, and in reality they actually do have a strong link, right? So FR and auditing. So Ansah Thomas is your guy for advanced, for auditing and assurance. Then another good YouTube channel is the Open Tuition ACCA auditing, right? They also like have short videos on each auditing topic. They have like a whole playlist, and I feel like watching that playlist can even give you an understanding of what it is that you are to expect and what you are studying. Yeah. For public sector, for PISA, for public sector and finance, I would just say, public sector is more of the reading part, and then most people don't really cover it. But I would say that Ezikan Academy is still your guy for that, because I told you his channel is good. There's nothing you are looking for in ICAN that he doesn't have on that channel, basically. So for PSAP, check out Ezikan Academy. Then for financial management, now this course is a new course, like I just arrived, right? And when I was doing my skills examinations, I didn't write financial management, I just wrote CSNE. So I'm just going to recommend based on what has helped me for SFN. Right, so for SFN, Tolu Sule Academy has been a very great help. Right, for more mentions, I would say this tuition center that posts their tutorials on YouTube, the Equity Professionals, it helped me a lot. Right, so basically it is their online tutorials. So it's basically their online tutorials, but they upload it on YouTube. Watching their videos have actually been very helpful. So I feel like that is also another honorable mention for YouTube channels that can help you. Yeah. So moving on to the professional level. So in the professional, we have case study, we have we have the SBR, the strategic business reporting, we have the SFN, strategic financial management, and advanced auditing and the advanced tax. Okay, now so advanced auditing and advanced tax. For advanced auditing, I'm still going to mention Ansah Thomas. He is good. Then ACCA Open Tuition, yes. And also you can check out the Equity Professionals YouTube channel. They also have like videos on auditing, on advanced auditing there from their tutorial classes. For strategic business reporting, Ansah Thomas is your guy. Now I remember I said for accountancy and Ansah Thomas for FR. Now for strategic business reporting, this is like the advanced financial reporting. No more complex group structures, more complex standards, and to be honest, I feel like one of my good helps was Ansah Thomas and Ezikan Academy. Ezikan Academy is good. Like he teaches a lot. Like when it comes to foreign subsidiaries and all those other complex group structures, Ezikan Academy is your guy. Ansah Thomas is also your guy. For case study, one of my greatest joy was passing case study once, right? Because of this noise about case study, like oh my god, case studies, this case study that, how it's not easy. You can't read for case studies. It's hard to pass because there's nothing to read for. It's just you writing a report. So I feel like one of my greatest help for passing case study was the YouTube channel I used, because I didn't pay for any tutorial. I just focused on one particular YouTube channel, and she did justice for me. And that YouTube channel is Modisola Odiktayo. I don't know if you've heard of synopsis of the ICAN case study. Yes, that's it. Like the way she has videos already that will simplify everything down for you, and it makes it so easy. Basically, I'll put the link down below. Like for case study, I feel like she's one of the best. She's the good, one of the best to learn case study from. Who else is left? Advanced tax, Tolu Sule Academy. Straight up. Because this basically how you use is that you might not find top videos on every topic for that advanced tax. So like whatever was the topic you're looking for, if it's for hydrocarbon, you can see it there. Like depending on the video, you can see it there, right? But so far with the new tax reform changes, I don't know if most of those YouTube channels have updated their videos based on the new tax laws, right? So I'm not exactly sure if you can still use them based on how ICAN is setting their question. So far I think they are very good fix. If you check and they've updated, then that would be very good. I would also say Tolu Sule too. She covers an SFN. Check them out. I'm going to drop the link in the description for you to check them out. These are the exact resources that helped me in my study in both the skills and the professional level. If you're just starting, I'm pretty sure these resources are going to be very helpful to you. Let me know in the comment section which of these YouTube channels you have tried to learn a particular course, and if there are any other gems in the accounting community that can help other people study, for recommendations for other people. Let me know in the comment section. I'll be there to reply. It's alright.